Welcome. If you've snoozed a page on Facebook and now want to start seeing its posts again, you're in the right place. With the new Facebook update, it's easy to manage your snooze settings. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the snooze for any page you've muted. Let's get into it. First, open Facebook on your PC and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile photo. Click on your profile picture to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will open a list of additional options. Next, click on Content Preferences. This is where you can manage everything about your feed, whether it's pages, groups, or people you follow. Once you're in the Content Preferences section, you'll see an option labeled Snooze. Go ahead and click on that. This will show you a list of all the pages, groups, and profiles that you've snoozed, meaning you won't see their posts for a certain period. Now scroll through the list and find the page you want to end the snooze for. Next to that page, you'll see an icon. Simply click on the icon and the snooze will be turned off. Once you do this, posts from that page will start appearing in your feed again. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the snooze for the page, and you'll start seeing their posts again as usual. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you stay updated with all our latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Facebook feed.